HP Tekken Games back out with another video. In this video, we are going to be building a 40,000 gaming PC. It's full gaming PC, includes keyboard, monitor, and mouse. And please like and subscribe the videos for more PC builds and tutorials. And let's get this video started. For the processor, guys, I'm using AMD FX 6300. It's a 6-core processor. It's 3.5 GHz. It is easily overclockable up to 4 GHz. Now, anyone wants to say which is the best budget processor, all gonna say AMD FX. Motherboard, I'm going with Asus M5A78L LX3 AMD motherboard, guys. It has got 2 RAM slots and it's AM3 plus socket. It supports my FX 6300. It's you can't overclock with this motherboard, but for this price range, just cost 3,699 rupees. It's a great motherboard, and if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade your RAM slot, which I'm going with. Again, a single stick of HyperX Fury 8 GB DDR3, 1866 MHz RAM, guys. It's a great RAM. I want to say that again, as I said, if it's a budget build or a high-end build, RAM prices are getting low and low. If it's a budget build, also you can go with 8 GB of RAM. 8 GB of RAM is plenty more. And let's guys, I'm going with Western Digital KBM 500 GB. I'm not going with 1 TB because 1 TB seems to more costlier, so I'm just going with 500 GB. It's 7200 RPM and 16 MB cache, which is more than enough for gaming. And for the graphic card, the main component in gaming PC, I'm going with Asus GTX 750 Ti. It's a best budget graphic card. It could run any of the games in low to medium settings, and it's a great graphic card. It's got 2 fans. You could go with Asus Strix one because it's costlier, and it's DDR5 memory type with this 2 GB of it. And that's all for this graphic card. It's a great graphic card, guys. PSU, I'm going with Processor Builder Series CX 500 watt power supply. 500 watt should be plenty enough for this build. It's 500 watt, as you can see. It's 80 plus bronze certified. It's not a modular one, as you know that, because I could not fit a modular one for this build, so I'm just staying on with non-modular one, guys. And for the cabinet, I'm going with Antex GX200 window ADX computer cabinet. It has two LED fans. Side panel, it's there. It's blue color. It's looking good, and it's got 2 years of warranty. It has got 7 expansion shot, and it has got also side parameter, and it has got ATX motherboard compatible. So I'm just going with this, guys. Then I'm going with the Micromax 18.5-inch monitor. It's a good monitor. It's got 5 milliseconds of response time. It's got HD full HD resolution, and it could tilt the monitor, and it is good. I like the monitor. Just picked it up. And last but not the least, I'm going for the keyboard and mouse. It's LG MK220. It's wireless keyboard and mouse combo. I'm not going with a spexy one. I'm just going for the random one. And that's it for the build, guys. It could run any of the games in medium to low to medium settings, which is good for this budget build. Guys, it's HP Tekken Game setting now. If you want me to do some PC builds or tutorials, or do any one of you have any of the doubts, you're free to comment in the comment section down below. That's it. HP Tekken Game setting now, and see ya.